Now let us discuss about lichen's economic importance. In the previous video lecture, we discussed on lichen's types and morphology. There are four types of lichens on the basis of the structure of the thallus: crustose lichens, foliose lichens, fruticose lichens, and squamous lichens. Here, these are the morphology and examples. These are all discussed in the previous lecture. Now we will discuss about economic importance of lichens. Lichens, they cannot survive in polluted areas. They can grow only in pollution-free areas. Due to this, special feature lichens are used as good pollution bioindicators. Lichens are pioneer plants which helps in colonization of bare rocks by adding So here the lichens, which are pioneer plants which helps in colonization of bare rocks by adding organic matter and ability of water retention. For example, crustose lichens were the first plants to grow on rocks called primary plants. Later, foliose lichens continue the process. Lichen can be referred as nature formers. The Cladonia rangifera is a nutritive fodder for reindeer in polar regions, commonly called reindeer moss. Citreria icelandica is used as a fodder in island and is known as island moss. Parmelia or stone flower is used as a vegetable. It contains vitamin A and D. Endocarpon lichen is sold in Japan with miniatum named as a leafy vegetable. Peltigera canierna, a dog lichen used in hydrophobia. Lobelia pulmonaria lichen, which is used lungwort, which is used to treat lung disease. Cladonia celeraria were used in fever avernia. Purpurica is cough treatment. Cladonia usnea extracts were used in the treatment of tuberculosis. Yes, these are used in medicine. Peltigra, Lobelia, Cladonia, Usnea. Ravelina and Evernia, like aromatic lichens, were used in making essence sticks and perfumes. Evernia and Lobelia essential oils are used in soap making. Lichens yield different dyes which are used in dyeing silk and wool. Ochloraceae yields purple dye. Orchil, a blue dye obtained from Celeraria atlantica. Parmelia omphalodus is a source of brown dye. Litmus, an important acid-base indicator dye in labs, is obtained from Rossella montagnini and Lacellia pustullata. In industry, Cladonia usnea lichens are used in alcohol preparation. So here these are the economic importance of the lichens. So now lichens are known to produce over 515 natural products. Which are used in tanning, brewing and distilling. The astringent substance extract from the thalli of Cetraria atlantica and Lobelia pulmonaria are used in tanning the leather in European countries. And few examples of lichens which is used in brewing of beer and preparing of alcohol. So here these are few examples of economic importance of lichens.